Let's see how to use Pruthviraj slurry filter and then how to flush it. Before starting, make sure to complete the fittings as shown in the first video. Apply Teflon tape to each threading and solution to connect the plain pipes and make a firm fitting. Many types of slurries can be made in the Pruthviraj filter. To make jamrit, we will use ingredients like cow dung, cow urine, gram flour, and jaggery. The quantity of the material depends on your slurry filter size. A maximum of 35 kilos of cow dung can be used in a large-sized unit, a maximum of 25 kilos of cow dung in a medium-sized unit, and a maximum of 15 kilos of cow dung in the smallest unit. These quantities should not be exceeded. Mix all these ingredients with water and dilute them. Do not make the slurry too thick. Now start filling the unit with water through the top lid using a rubber pipe. The transparent pipe in front shows the water level inside the unit. Wait until the water is filled up to the green marking on the front. Once the water is filled up to the green marking, now start filling all the ingredients mixed in water one by one into the unit. Take the quantity of ingredients according to the size of your unit. Once all the ingredients are added, fill the unit completely with water. The process of making jamrit is now complete. Stir the solution using the provided stirrer a couple of times a day. An automatic air blower along with a cyclic timer can also be used for agitation. This is an optional accessory. On the 5th day, we will be removing the strained jamrit. Be careful not to stir the solution at all on this day. We can send this filtered solution directly to the entire field through drip irrigation. After removing the filtered liquid, there is thick slurry remaining in the unit. To use it, we have to top up the water in it. We have to use this water connection connected at the bottom. While doing this, close the half-inch valve on the level tube. After topping up with water, let the solution remain for another 24 hours. On the 6th day, take out the second batch of filtered jamrit. After this, we now have to clean the unit. Let's see how to do the cleaning, that is flushing. The flushing process is done in 4 stages, that is, in 4 steps. Open both the flush valves and empty the unit. The flush valves are marked red to identify them. Keeping both flush valves open, now start the pressure water connection connected at the top. Turn on the water and keep it on for only 30 seconds and then turn it off. The pressurized water goes into the unit, cleans the filters, and continues to flow out through the open flush valve. At this time, water will mainly come out from the flush valve on the left side, which has 2 red stickers. Wait until this water is empty. After this, turn the water on again. In this way, the water should be turned on and off within 30 seconds. Each time, the water coming out of the flush should be observed. This process should be repeated until the water coming out of the flush is clear. Now start the water connection in the bottom and keep the water pressure on for about 6 to 7 minutes. Observe the water coming out of the rear flush. Keep the water running till clear water starts to come out from the flush valve with 1 red sticker. In the last step, turn on the water in the rubber pipe and clean the waste in the upper section by rotating the pipe through the top lid. It is very important to flush the unit after each use. If the unit is not flushed regularly or if it is done incorrectly, it can become damaged. If the unit is not in use for any reason, It is important to flush the unit thoroughly and keep it completely filled with water.